hear that ticking? That's your time running out.
You threat! I've blown up bigger monsters than you before breakfast!
Oh, but I am different. You can't outrun my explosions.
Good thing mine are faster than yours! All that hype and you still blew yourself to pieces trying to touch me. You're just fireworks! Loud! Pretty and over in seconds! Remember this face, Bomb Girl, because it's the last thing you'll see before